No worries, doesn't matter to me. So, you've been here before?
No, but I like to try new things. What about you?
I don't know, I come here quite often. They got great meatballs.
Yeah, actually, I don't eat meat.
Okay, well, so what sort of things do you like? You into sports? You look really fit.
No, but sometimes I do yoga. Are you into fashion?
Uh, do my own laundry.
Do you like dancing?
Not really. You like documentaries?
No.
Cats?
Ew, no. Dogs, duh.
Is it just me? Am I striking out? Or is this just not a good fit?
Two things. Thank God for wine and what now?
Well, that seems to be going well. I don't know who to feel more sorry for in this scenario.
And to think they're only on appetizers.
Right? Dating is tough these days.
Well, for starters, it helps to have more than just attraction in common.
No kidding. And definitely a more casual, like low pressure setting, like maybe even a group setting.
Love that, and actually have things in common like similar interests, hobbies, and relationship goals.
I agree. I think we're on to something. Cheers.
Cheers.